Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with a tool that it's basically for pancakes that Rozzi bring to me. Thank you again, Rozzi, to bringing me all those toys, pouring toys, because I love to experiment with them. So it's a really good thing that you don't need to, you can use it just like a funnel, but it's good, you know, it has a stand, so you can pour your paints and you don't need to hold your funnel. Yeah, and you can control the flow. So I'm excited to try that. Oh, and it has a few of those, you know, with wider opening, and you see that smaller opening too. So yeah, my paints today are mixed with Overtroll Floetrol, 2 parts Overtroll Floetrol to 1 part paint. This is Vallejo Pearl Medium, Deco Satin Enamel, and Overtroll to some fluffy cloudy effects. This is Amsterdam Copper. I have a little bit of black. This is Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo Blue, and this is Amsterdam Turquoise Green. So yeah, I will pour some of this white first, and then I will go with some copper. And my paints are kind of on a thin consistency today, middle to thin, a little bit of black just for a contrast, blue and turquoise. And I'm pouring down the side, so I will just turn this around and I will go with the copper again on this side. A little bit of black and blue. I don't know if they have them in different sizes, but probably smaller size would be nice too. So now I will go with the white again on both sides. I wonder how this will turn out. I don't have a clue. And I'm working on a round 12 by 12 inch canvas today. No, it's not canvas, it's a board with a coat of gesso on top. And the blue. I probably have too much paint, I don't know. It's hard for me to know right now how much paint I have. Let's end up with a little bit of white. Okay. Now I will remove this and I will pour some base coat here in the middle. I really don't know how much paint I have in that. So let's see. So I will now just start to release the paint and see how it will look like. Okay. I didn't think about that there is still some paint in that thing. So let's spin this out and see what will happen. A little to this side to push your paint. Definitely too much paint. I think that I don't like that final last one. I will remove that bottom part, the plastic one, that I will not have that paint left at the end, and I will go once more. I have to say that I'm not a big fan of this, so I will play a little bit. The first one was better than this one, so yeah. I have a little bit of black paint on my palette knife. So I will leave it like it is. There will be some reaction from pearl and satin. I can already see on the sides. I'm not a fan of that, but we will see. Kind of think that I have to lose a little bit of this, but don't want to lose this. So here is a close-up. I don't know how this will look like, but I want to leave it to dry because there are some really beautiful parts with the translucency that gives this 3D look. I didn't do the best job with the swipe in the middle, but it was just without the form or whatever. Now I kind of see some structure in that. I know that maybe some of you will say, no, it was okay. I totally understand that. But when you pour, I think that, you know, you have to add yourself, or what to call that. So yeah, now I'm happy with this one, and I will leave it to dry. So here she is dry, and I really like it. You know, for some paintings I think that you have to step back a little bit, because from here it's just beautiful, I think. I'm not so thrilled about the details. Some are beautiful. I will just go a little closer. Some details are gorgeous, some are not as much, but I really like the depth that you get with this transparency, or how can I say, some pearls, not too much, didn't want too much. Yeah, and the shimmer is beautiful, so I'm really happy with this one, I have to say. It was, you know, a little challenging, yeah, but I like it now, I really do. So I will show you the dried result from the pipe tool experiment. This is the dried result that I promised from my Monday video. I really like those fluffy, cloudy look with the lines and some pearls. Yeah, so this is how that one dried. So thanks for being here, and see you again on Friday. Bye!